Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off vibration on any iPhone. Now there are two methods to turn off vibration on your iPhone. For the first method, just open settings, then tap on sounds and haptics. Now from here, you can disable the vibration for every single action. For example, under ringtone and alerts, you will find the option of haptics. And from here, if you select never play, you will disable the haptics for your ringtones and alerts. And also under ringtone and alerts, you will find all the different alerts option on your iPhone. Now, if you want to disable vibration while your iPhone is ringing, just tap on ringtone, and from here, just tap on haptics. Now from here, just select none. Now just go back and do the same with all the other alerts on your iPhone, just like that. Now after that, now if you disable this toggle, you will disable the system haptics on your iPhone. Now this was the first method. Now for the second method, just open settings, then go to accessibility. Now from here, just tap on touch, and in touch you will find the option of vibration. Now from here, just disable this toggle to disable all the vibrations on your iPhone. But remember, by disabling vibration from here, you will disable all the vibrations on your iPhone, including those vibrations for earthquakes, tsunamis, and other emergency alerts. And this is how you can turn off vibration on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.